10 best foods to detox and cleanse your kidneys naturally. Have you ever wondered how your kidneys work tirelessly to keep your body healthy? These two small but mighty organs filter out waste, excess water, and toxins from your blood, regulate your blood pressure, balance your electrolytes, and produce essential hormones. But sometimes, various factors like diabetes, high blood pressure, infections, kidney stones, or medications can damage your kidneys and impair their function. That's why it's crucial to take good care of your kidneys before it's too late. What if I told you that you could support your kidney health simply by adding certain foods to your diet? In this video, we'll reveal 10 amazing foods that can naturally cleanse and detox your kidneys, preventing kidney stones, lowering inflammation, and protecting against oxidative stress. In other words, they can help to reverse kidney damage. Get ready to be amazed by the power of these kidney-friendly superfoods. 1. Apples. Apples are one of the best fruits for your kidney health. These crunchy and sweet fruits are rich in antioxidants, fiber, and vitamin C, which can help protect your kidneys from oxidative stress, inflammation, and infection. Apples also contain pectin, a type of soluble fiber that can lower your cholesterol and blood sugar levels, both risk factors for kidney disease. Pectin can also bind to toxins in your digestive tract and prevent them from reaching your kidneys. Moreover, apples have a high water content and a low sodium content, which can help flush out excess fluids and salts from your body and reduce the workload on your kidneys. To reap these benefits, try to eat at least one medium-sized apple per day, preferably with the skin on, as that's where most of the antioxidants and fiber are located. 2. Cranberries. Cranberries are not just great for your urinary tract, they can also work wonders for your kidneys. These tart berries contain a unique compound called quinic acid, which converts into hippuric acid in the body. Hippuric acid can help flush out excess uric acid from the kidneys, reducing the risk of kidney stones. Moreover, cranberries are packed with antioxidants and anti-inflammatory compounds that can protect your kidneys from damage caused by oxidative stress and inflammation. Cranberries can also prevent urinary tract infections, which are common in chronic kidney disease patients and can worsen their condition. A study found that women who consumed sweetened dried cranberries daily for 2 weeks had a significantly lower incidence of urinary tract infections compared to those who did not. To reap these benefits, you can enjoy fresh or dried cranberries or sip on unsweetened cranberry juice. 3. Lemon. The humble lemon is a citrus powerhouse that can help prevent kidney stones. Lemons are rich in citric acid, which can bind with calcium in the urine and inhibit the growth of calcium stones, the most common type of kidney stones. Lemons are also an excellent source of vitamin C, which can boost your immune system and fight infections. A study found that lemonade therapy, which involves drinking 4 ounces of lemon juice mixed with 2 liters of water per day, was highly effective in reducing the recurrence of calcium oxalate stones. So, the next time you reach for a glass of water, consider squeezing some fresh lemon juice into it or adding a lemon wedge to your tea. 4. Garlic. Garlic is not just a flavorful spice, it's also a potent kidney protective food. This pungent bulb contains a sulfur compound called allicin, which is released when you chop or crush garlic. Allicin has powerful antibacterial, antifungal, and antiviral properties that can help protect your kidneys from damage and infection. According to a study, allicin can be beneficial for treating severe kidney diseases like chronic kidney disease. The researchers found that allicin reduced the levels of urea nitrogen and creatinine in the blood, which are compounds that the kidneys filter from your blood. When their levels are reduced, it means that the kidneys are functioning better. Allicin also improved the levels of glutathione and superoxide dismutase, which are antioxidants that protect the kidneys from oxidative stress, a major contributor to kidney diseases. Additionally, garlic has diuretic properties, meaning it can increase urine output and help flush out excess toxins and minerals from the body, preventing the formation of kidney stones. To maximize the benefits of allicin, you can eat raw garlic cloves on an empty stomach, or chop or crush garlic cloves and add them to your salads, sauces, or other dishes. You can also take garlic supplements that contain standardized amounts of allicin or its derivatives. 5. Grapes. Grapes are not only delicious and refreshing, they also offer amazing health benefits for your kidneys. These juicy fruits contain a compound called resveratrol, a plant compound found in grape seeds and skins. Resveratrol has potent anti-inflammatory and anti-fibrotic effects, meaning it can help prevent or reduce kidney damage caused by inflammation and scarring. Grapes also contain citric acid, a natural acid that can help prevent kidney stones from forming. Another benefit of grapes for your kidneys is their ability to lower blood pressure, one of the leading causes of kidney failure. Grapes have a blood pressure lowering effect due to their polyphenols, plant chemicals that relax the blood vessels and improve blood flow. You can enjoy grapes fresh or frozen as a snack, or add them to your favorite salads or desserts. 6. Seaweed. Seaweed is not just a tasty addition to your sushi rolls, it's also a nutrient-dense superfood that can protect your kidneys from damage. This sea vegetable is rich in iodine, essential for thyroid function and metabolism, as well as antioxidants, anti-inflammatory agents, and polysaccharides that can shield your kidneys from diabetes-induced damage. A 2014 study found that feeding rats seaweed for 22 days significantly reduced kidney and liver damage caused by diabetes. Seaweed also contains alginates, compounds that can bind with heavy metals and toxins and help excrete them from the body. You can enjoy seaweed as a snack, add it to soups or salads, or use it to make your own sushi at home. 7. Blueberries. Blueberries are another berry that can benefit your kidneys. These tiny fruits are packed with antioxidants called anthocyanins, which give them their vibrant blue color and protect against oxidative stress. Oxidative stress can damage the cells and tissues of the kidneys and lead to chronic kidney disease. Blueberries also have anti-inflammatory effects and can lower blood pressure, which is crucial for maintaining kidney health. A study found that blueberry consumption was associated with significantly lower levels of urinary albumin, a marker of kidney damage. You can enjoy blueberries fresh or frozen, add them to your morning smoothie or oatmeal, or sprinkle them on your salads for a burst of flavor and nutrition. 8. Watermelon. Watermelon is not just a refreshing summer treat, it's also a kidney-cleansing superfood. This juicy fruit has a high water content, about 92%, which can increase your urine output and help remove waste products from your kidneys. Watermelon is also rich in potassium, which can help balance the sodium levels in your body and prevent salt retention. Salt retention can cause swelling and increase the pressure on your kidneys, leading to damage over time. Moreover, watermelon contains lycopene, a powerful antioxidant that can protect against kidney cancer. You can enjoy watermelon as a snack, blend it into a refreshing juice or smoothie, or add it to your fruit salads for a sweet and hydrating treat. 9. Olive oil. Olive oil is a healthy fat that can improve your cardiovascular health and lower your blood pressure, one of the main risk factors for kidney disease. This Mediterranean staple is rich in oleic acid, a monounsaturated fatty acid that can reduce inflammation and oxidative stress in the kidneys. Olive oil also contains polyphenols, plant compounds with potent antioxidant and anti-inflammatory effects. You can use olive oil as a salad dressing, for cooking, or drizzle it over your favorite dishes for a boost of flavor and nutrition. 10. Cabbage. Cabbage is a cruciferous vegetable that can support your kidney health. This humble veggie is rich in anthocyanins, plant pigments that give red cabbage its vibrant reddish-purple color. Anthocyanins have strong antioxidant and anti-inflammatory properties and may protect against heart disease, diabetes, and cancer. Cabbage is also high in vitamin C, a powerful antioxidant that supports immune health and helps reduce cell damage caused by free radicals. Vitamin C also helps boost the production of glutathione, a natural detoxifier that helps the kidneys eliminate toxins. You can enjoy cabbage raw in salads or coleslaw, or cook it in soups, stews, or stir-fries for a nutritious and kidney-friendly meal. By incorporating these superfoods into your meals, you can support your kidney function and prevent many kidney problems and diseases. However, it's important to remember that these foods are not a substitute for medical treatment. If you have any kidney issues or concerns, consult your doctor before making any dietary changes. Now that you know how these kidney-friendly foods can benefit your health, it's time to take action. Start by adding 1 or 2 of these foods to your grocery list and incorporating them into your daily routine. You can also share this video with your friends and family who may be looking for natural ways to support their kidney health. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to our channel for more informative and engaging content. Now, we'd love to hear from you in the comments below. Do you already eat some of these foods regularly? Do you have any other kidney-friendly foods to share with us? Let us know, and let's start our journey towards better kidney health together. Also, watch the recommended videos that are popping up on your screen right now. Until the next video, stay healthy. Bye.